2024 may very well go down in the e-commerce marketing history at that year when really a lot changed. A lot changed from, we have seen the reversal of third-party cookie deprecation. We have seen how Perplexity coming out with a personalized shopping assistant and all that stuff, right? So understandably, there is a lot of anticipation as to what can we expect in 2025. There are three things I really wanted to sort of highlight, and we'll be covering many more of these as we really come out with our 2025 top 10 trends research shortly. The first one is hyper personalization driven by AI, taken literally to the next level, using the first party data. The second theme I want to talk about is literally redefining the verb search. Will the verb search even be relevant any longer, or would it be replaced by something like, I don't know, ask, maybe chat, or something? Maybe the verb search may need to be relooked at. And last but not the least, it will be interesting to see the effect of the new government essentially on this entire channel ecosystem as well. Because effectively, are there certain channels which may really sort of appear as shooting stars? Are there other channels which probably have been growing very quickly, but unfortunately may not really sort of grow as quickly? So these are, I think, the three things. What are the new channels which really are likely to come up? And how will the governmental regulations or policies effectively influence that shift in landscape? The second one effectively is just questioning the word search. How relevant will it remain in 2025? And the first one, as I already mentioned, hyper personalization taken to the next level with the help of generative AI. Stay tuned for these trends and many more as we really come up with our top 10 trends report for 2025.